Hey, Matt.
Hi, Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to talk about future consequences.
Want one?
No thanks. Wait, didn't you have ice cream earlier?
Uh-huh.
And I saw you having chocolate for breakfast.
So?
Well, Matt, if you keep eating junk food, you'll gain weight.
What do you mean?
Your actions have consequences. Let me show you. See, you can use if plus the present simple, then will to talk about what results will happen in the future. This is called the first conditional.
So, the if part is the reason.
Right. And the will part is the consequence. So if you keep eating junk food, you will gain weight.
Can I change the order? As in, I will gain weight if I don't stop eating junk food.
Perfect. We still know what the result is. It goes with the will.
Okay, I think I've got it.
So if you start eating healthier...
I won't gain weight.
Exactly. So today we learned how to talk about consequences using the first conditional.
Do you want these?
No way. If I eat one, I'll eat the whole bag. Get them away from me.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.